Well, hello, welcome to our demonstration for Adsense Bot. And before we get started, I'm going to warn you that tricking Google is against their terms of service. Now, we are the smartest persons in the world, so we make the money in the smart way. Now, before I actually show you how bot looks like, I'm going to tell you how it really works. So for that, we are using something called TAR, and TAR network is a network of relays. You can take it as a VPN, a very giant VPN that the world is using and criminals are using to be true anonymous, because it goes through the number of relays and reaches your destination. Okay, now if you're wondering how many relays are there for a TAR network, if you go to Google and type a number of relays, you get to know to this chart that shows you there are more than 7,000 relays for February 2016. 7,000 relays means 7,000 IP addresses. Now you can also come here to this domain, and you see that these are the relays that you can use, all for you, and they're available for free. Okay, so as you come down over here, you see the total number of routers, which means relays, and there are 7,207. Now that means 7,207 IP addresses. Now if you multiply 7,207 IP addresses with the 0.2, which is the least CPC of Google Adsense, you will be making $1,441.4 in a single day. Now remember, using these 7,000 relays is nearly impossible because of time. However, you can use a lot of servers, your VPS server, and they are actively doing the time memory trade-off and working together. Now, what you will be doing in real life on a single VPS is that you will be using 1,000 IP addresses, and if you multiply 0.2, you will be making nearly around $200 in a single day. Now remember, if your RPM increases and you're smart enough to use good and quality content and good keywords for increasing the CPC, you are good to go to make around $400 or $350 every single day. Now if you see over here, we were yesterday making around $351.83 in a single day, and now it's been a few times that bot started and we're making around this numbers. So now if you are thinking about this can be detectable, then remember that it's not. We have been using it for a few long time, and we are using a TAR network that is anonymous, as well as if you want to be 100% secure, we can share with you a plugin that we use that is a WordPress plugin, and what it does is take care of if you have visited from the same IP addresses more than one time, it actually blocks you, and you are not clicking the ad. So in this way you only get one click from one IP address. Now let's get started to Adsense Bot. Now if we go to the links.txt, this is where you put your website domain name. Now remember, for the demonstration purposes based on Ramil Hussain, we are making it on Blogspot. Okay, and I want to tell you guys this demonstration is only on the basis of Ramil Hussain, and that is why we are showing you this tool. Okay, so now if I start the Adsense Bot, we have to version minutes and seconds. I'm demonstrating seconds for sake of time. Now this is what we are like user agents we have. These are actually browsers, mostly are Mozilla, because we have a full control over Mozilla, and behind the scenes we can clear the cookies, the cache, and everything the flash cookies, also everything that Google can track. Okay, and we also have a different screen resolutions for the sake of ad display, but for the demonstration purpose, I'm gonna go AdSense clicks from 1 to 1 and pause 1 second between clicks, and pause 1 minute between clicks. Okay, now how many AdSense clicks you must do is 1, and it's gonna be pausing for 1 second between clicks, and then it's gonna use tar, and it is gonna run forever and randomly, and it's gonna pause for 1 minute between the links. Okay, if you're not sure, I'm gonna go tell you what it really means. Let me start it. So now the link is, and it's starting the browser, and you will see a Mozilla Firefox popping out. Okay, there we go, we have the Mozilla Firefox, and if you click that, it's navigating to the domain name that you provided, and if you see that, we have that domain name. Now it's navigating, and we also have an ad over there. Okay, so now it's sleeping for 2 seconds, so now it's scrolling. Oh wow, scrolling means like it behaves like a true user. Okay, it's scrolling, as you can see, and then it's sleeping for 5 seconds, so it looks like you're reading something or something like that, and then it's refreshing. Okay, now it's also sleeping for 9 seconds. It's like totally looking you are a normal person, not a bot that is working. Now it's searching for AdSense links, and now here's the magic begins. Clicked AdSense link. Wow, it clicks the AdSense link, and as you can see, we have an AdSense ad popped up. Now it's typing in random form, because sometimes when you type form, the CPC increases, and they don't think so that you are a bot. Okay, now we successfully typed in a random form, and then navigating to the original domain. Okay, so this is like running forever and randomly. You can buy a VPS server, and it runs there for a very long time. Now it's again searching for AdSense link and clicking once again, and then it sleeps. And let me demonstrate you actually. And now as you can see, we have there on the landing page, again we are typing some random form, and then we're navigating back to the original domain. Right, for now we are done with the clicks, and now it's time to sleep and go. Remove the browser. Now it's sleeping for 1 minute. Remember, I did air 1 minute. That's why it's for 1 minute. Now in this 1 minute, we actually behind the scenes remove the cache from Firefox, and also change our relay for the Tor network. So we have a new IP address, and the process repeats again and again and again. So this was the demonstration. You can learn more about it right here at the Tor network. You can go for Tor, and you will know how much safe we are using this. So that's all from the presentation. I wish you a very good day. Allah Hafiz.